Hey everyone. Well, let's try this again. Only this time I decided to do a recorded video in place of my live, which did not work earlier today. Anyway, on this wood that I am chalking on, I think the reason it didn't adhere to the wood before is because I had a little bit too much wax. So by the time I washed all that off, with a Lysol wipe, or maybe it was Clorox wipe, either one, it kind of took some of the wax off. So then when everything was dry, I started all over and it adhered much better. It's just kind of a balance you have to work with to get it to work. So I did use a different transfer. I like this one too because you can continue it on. It's a continued pattern, which I'm doing here. And I'm taping off the ends because I don't want it to go all the way to the end of the board. I'm contemplating putting something on the sides or around the border of it, or just leaving it alone. I don't know. What do you all think? Anyway, I'm doing the last part of this one on the left side and just taking the bright white chalk paste and with the squeegee. This is a small squeegee, but it's a bigger one than the one I had before. I think it was a mini squeegee that I was using. This works a little bit better. You can get it chalked faster. Of course, I did speed it up a little bit so you don't have to watch chalk dry on this video. All right, now I let this dry, which is another thing that's nice when it's recorded, because I can let it dry naturally and then come back to it and finish instead of hurrying it up while I'm on a live. Now I've got some beads, they're half beads. So I'm using that for the feet on here and just hot gluing them on. It sticks quite good. And there it is. Yay! Now this is what I'm going to put on it. I found this rooster for my rings or watch or whatever, and then the thing of lotion for my hands. On to project 2. Now you saw I have Liar Liar Pants on Fire on one side. Now on this other side, I'm going to put I Read on there. Now we have, well, my husband and I, we have one reader and one not so much. So I thought it was appropriate, really, if you put the I Read out there, and depending who's sitting and reading, you can turn it over and say Liar Liar Pants on Fire. I thought it was funny. Again, using the bright white chalk paste. Oh, it's nice chalking on chalkboard. And there we go.